Hey everyone, so I'm just about to feed the dogs and I come downstairs and this happens. My phone normally sits in here, but it ended up over there. Reason being, Daisy and her toy. She must have been playing with the toy with Ruby. It hooked into like a bit of a fan and she must have taken it flying. So if it still works in the summer, we'll be lucky. Isn't that right? Yeah, you and your toys. Eh? Yeah. You and your toys. I'm just about to make myself some popcorn. So yeah, let's do this. She doesn't like you. Right guys, I'm going to end the vlog now. If you enjoyed today's vlog, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, leave a comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, why are you not subscribed? Hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. And it's going to be a good one. I'll see you then. Goodbye.